In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. Following that, you need to select one of those options. Ring once, work days. Over here you can adjust each one and save your changes by hitting OK, or custom. If you selected custom, you can exclude days of the week by tapping on blue ones and add them by clicking on the gray ones. When you finished, click on alarm name to label it. Select ringtone and pick one of those options. You can also choose on this device, pick any song from your smartphone and go back. You can even click on Spotify instead of one of those themes, log in and use music from it. I will go with weather themes though. Then tap on this switcher next to vibrate to switch it off or on and select snooze. Now you can disable or enable it thanks to this switcher and then manage those two options. How many minutes it will take, and how many times it will repeat. When you're ready, hit it down at the top right corner, and as you can see, after all that, my alarm was successfully created. You can turn it off or on thanks to this switcher next to it, and this pop-up. If you want to make some changes, tap on the chosen one, make them, and hit done. To get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it and tap on delete at the bottom. If you want to adjust more alarm settings, use those three dots at the top right corner, hit settings, and adjust them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!